In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give someone access to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Facebook account. Once you are signed in, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the settings you need are found within the page experience, not from your personal profile alone. After you are on your business page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account and page options. From that menu, choose Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings to open the main settings area for your page. Inside the Settings section, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through the available options until you find Audience and Visibility. Under that section, click on Page Setup. This will take you to the area where you can manage important page configuration options, including who has access to help manage the page. Once you are on the Page Setup screen, find and click on Page Access. This section allows you to view current access settings and add new people to help manage the page based on the permissions available to you. In the Page Access section, click on Add New. Facebook will then show you some information about sharing access to your page. Take a moment to read through the guidelines so you understand what kind of permissions you are about to share and what that person will be able to do once access is granted. When you are ready to continue, click Next. You will now see a search field where you can enter the name of the person you want to add. Type in their Facebook name and select the correct account from the results. Make sure you choose the right profile before moving forward so that access is given to the intended person. After selecting the account, review the access information shown on the screen. This is where Facebook confirms what level of access is being shared and lets you verify the action before it is completed. If everything looks correct, click Give Access. Once you complete that final step, the person will be added with access to your Facebook business page. They may need to accept the invitation or confirm the access on their side, depending on Facebook's current setup. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.